mga nakita ko sinabi bawal magpagupit, bawal.
Yes.
Totoo ba yun? Ano ba mga bawal ng lugaw? Ano ba?
Well, kung naglinis ka na kasi ngayong araw na to, huwag ka na maglinis bukas, you know? And then, do not like use sharp objects, you know, many things. Like for example, let it be and savor the moment. Huwag ka na makipag-away. You only have nice things to say to each other. Yung mga ganong bagay ba? Yun.
And ano po yung mga masiswerteng pwedeng gawin, gaya ng mga negosyo? Kasi sabi mo, di ba,
Yes.
Year of the Fire Horse is fast,
Fast, furious,
Furious,
and fiery.
fiery.
However, you have to like also naman hold your horses. Because sometimes may mga attitude yung mga tao na ano na lang, basta-basta na lang. But basically, in the year 2026, you have to look forward to for mga things like kunyari, personal branding is very important because everyone now can be copied anytime by AI. Right? We also have to look after mga, you know, if 2025 was about uncovering things that we haven't seen before, 2026 is like it's there na, nakita na anong gagawin mo. Accountability is very important. Integrity in 2026 is very important as well. So, what do you have to do? Reliability in the systems, maybe doing the blockchain technology, ewan ko yun, yung mga tao nagsisimula na yan para to make sure that the systems are in place properly at saka talagang nakaayos siya. And then marami pa. So personal branding is good, AI is good, renewable energy is good, you know, solar panels, solar power is very good.
At sabi mo, mga gumagalaw na negosyo.
Yes.
Tubig.
Tubig, laundry, tourism should really, and I really hope, could do good in 2026. Bawasan lang nila yung ating mga pamasahe.
Oo nga, travel
Because mas-
tax abolish na.
Yes, oo.
Wait,
So yun.
so pagdating naman po sa, of course, sa entertainment tayo, larangan ng entertainment, parang may nabanggit na kayo from the last press con, dahil yung mga bata ay
Yes.
malaking factor yung mga boses ng kabataan.
Yes, so the boses ng kabataan is really one of the things we have to consider because they could either break or make, you know, the system. So pakinggan natin sila. And then yung mga nasa taas naman, wag nyo na lang, you know, the voting population, especially if you're above 18, is actually very high. So this is the time where they have to become very vocal as well. So very vocal, and then I think at the end of the day, we could actually listen, and then we always hope for the better Philippines anyway, right?
Yes.